Hey guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to use standard form. So up at the top of page 75 in your notebook it says using standard form. When putting an expression in standard form, the degree of terms decreases or goes down from left to right. So basically what that means is I want the exponents in order from greatest to least. Okay? So let's just jump right into it. So if I have the polynomial 7x plus 5x cubed minus 5 plus 2x squared, all you want to do is take a look at the exponents. The biggest one I see is a 3, so that term is going to go first. Notice that there's a plus sign in front of that term, so it's going to stay positive, but since it's the first term, I don't actually put that plus sign in front. So I have 5x cubed first, so I took care of that. I kind of like to cross them out as I go, but you don't have to. The next biggest exponent is a 2. Again, it has a plus sign in front, so I'm going to put plus 2x squared. The next biggest exponent is 1. There's nothing in front of that 7x, so it means it's positive, so plus 7x. And then the last term I see is a minus 5. Now if you look, 3, 2, 1, no x term. So these are in order from greatest to least. All right, same thing with the next one, 8 plus 3x. This is x to the first, that's the biggest exponent, and it has a plus sign in front, so that's going to stay 3x. And then I took care of that. All that's left is the 8, and there's no sign in front. That means it's positive. So 3x plus 8. All right, the next one. If you look, you should see there are 2 terms that have a single x. Now, they're not the biggest exponent, so that's not what we're going to start with, but it's important to point that out here in a second. So 4x squared is the biggest exponent, this 2 here. It's positive, so it's going to start with 4x squared. And then like I mentioned, x to the first is the next biggest, but I have 2 of them. So I'm going to combine them together, much like we did at the beginning of the year. So negative 7x minus x would give me negative 8x. So I've now taken care of both of those. And then the last thing is a minus 5. And that's it. That's the standard form. Okay, last one. The biggest exponent I see is 7. There's a negative sign out in front, so it's going to be negative 2x to the 7th. The next biggest exponent is 4. It's positive, so plus x to the 4th. And the last one is plus 6x to the 3rd. And that's it. That's how you write polynomials in standard form.